In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page titles in Base44. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to update a page title using the visual editor, quickly and confidently. Let's start from your Base44 workspace. Make sure you're already inside the project or app where the page you want to edit is located, and that you're on the page whose title you want to change. Once you're there, look for the chat box interface on your screen. Just below that chat box, you'll see an option labeled Visual Edit. This is the tool that lets you edit your page visually, directly on the preview, without digging into code. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. After a moment, your page should reload or shift into an editable preview mode. Now that you're in Visual Edit mode, you'll see your page almost exactly as a visitor would, but with the ability to click on elements. Find the title you want to change on the page. This might be the main heading at the top or a section heading somewhere else. Move your mouse over that title, and when it looks selectable, simply click on it. This tells Base44 that you want to work with that specific piece of text. Once the title is selected, you should see some editing controls appear nearby. Look for a small T icon. This icon represents the text editing tool. Click on the T icon to open the text editor for that title. This step is important because it switches you from just selecting the element to actually editing its content. After clicking the T icon, you will be able to modify the title itself. The existing text will become editable, usually inside a small text box or inline field. Now type in the new page title you want to use. As you type, think about clarity and relevance. Choose a title that clearly describes the content of the page and, if appropriate, includes important keywords your visitors might be looking for. When you're happy with the new title, double check for any spelling or formatting issues. Finally, make sure your changes are saved in Base44. Depending on your setup, this might happen automatically, or you may need to confirm or publish the update. Once it's saved, your page will now display the new title in place of the old one. That's all you need to do to change page titles in Base44 using the visual editor.